intro ko ngayon ay yung kinanta ko po sa blind auditions ng The Voice Kids. And here it goes. Sana po magustuhan niyo po. I'm feeling crazy and free, like it was raining on me. You're like a touch of pure gold. I think I'm about to explode. I can taste the tension like a cloud of smoke in the air. Now I'm breathing like I'm running 'cause you're taking me there. Don't you know the highlights when we touched on it, let me go. Turning dancing in the moonlight. Take me down like I'm down low. Thank you po. I'm very excited po ako. Tsaka blessing po talaga to para po sa akin kasi I've always dreamed of having my own solo album and here it is now. So, yun po, very happy po ako ngayon.
So, etong single mo, we will be talking about your first single na In Love Ako Sa'yo. And it's doing good on radio, and I heard the video is coming out. Tell us something about the song.
The song is about, it's actually about a guy liking another person and he's always constantly thinking about her. Kaya may mga lyrics po na kahit sa pagtulog ko, ikaw pa rin nasa isip ko, mga ganun po. Tsaka, it's basically parang yung mga parang puppy love po.
So, yung video, everybody is expecting, everybody's asking, kailan ba lalabas yung video? Because they want to see how will the song be combined into a video and paano magiging story nito. When will the video be coming out?
Wala po pong specific date, pero this February po.
Okay, and I also heard that the song was written by one of the best songwriters ever, si Sir Benny Saturno. How is it working with him?
Opo, he's fun to work with po and magaganda po talaga yung mga compositions niya. Lahat po actually yung mga songs na Tagalog po sa album ko, siya po yung gumawa.
Again, ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to hear the Carrier single of his album, Darren. A big round of applause for Mr. Darren Espanto, ladies and gentlemen. And actually po, this song was composed by a songwriter in the US. 3 of the songs were composed in the US po, and 1 was in Canada. And ito pong song na to, yung isa po sa mga nire-request po sa mga shows ko po, sa concerts. So, ito po para po sa inyo. Something about you. What am I supposed
stuck on you.